If you want to start a new chat, it looks like this. You can simply start chatting right here. Up here in the left-hand corner, you'll see some different drop-downs. So this is using ChatGPT 4. ChatGPT 3 is the former version, and sometimes ChatGPT 4 is slow, so I choose to use this. And then plugins, this is where we're going to find different plugins, which are basically like apps in the Apple Store that will extend the features and functionality of ChatGPT. And then if you hit open the sidebar, you'll see explore GPTs. This is the newest area of ChatGPT, and this is their GPT store. Think of this like the App Store in Apple. So these are all custom GPTs that are written by individuals and businesses. You can search for specific ones that you might want. And it's really great. They highlight the trending ones. I was playing with one for fitness earlier. It's no longer up here. So yeah, this is where custom GPTs are. And then if you wanted to create your own, you just hit create. And you can basically just chat with the GPT builder of what you want it to do. So it'll just help you build it out. And yeah, so that's just a quick overview of ChatGPT and what it looks like as of today. So as you can tell, I'm a big ChatGPT fan. I've been watching it be built for 3 years now, and it's super exciting.